Good day everyone, and I'm back in Tobago reviewing the beautiful Reefside Villa. Now this stunning villa has 3 bedrooms, 2 master bedrooms upstairs and 1 double bedroom downstairs. The master bedrooms all have ensuite bathrooms, while there's also a bathroom downstairs. There's a washing machine, dryer, Wi-Fi, beautiful pool, lovely property. So without further ado, let's take a walk through and show you everything that this place has to offer. So next time you're in Tobago, you know where you can look to rent. Goodbye. Good morning everyone. So as you can see, I have my cup of coffee. Now I've really enjoyed my stay here at the Reefside Villa, but one of the things I must do before I close off the video is it's been highly recommended to me that when I come out in the early mornings and have my coffee and before I sit in my hammock, to go and have a walk in the garden, because there's just so many birds and the songs of many different birds going on. So let's take a walk in the garden and see if we hear them. guys, I hope you enjoyed this beautiful tour of the Reefside Villa in Tobago. Absolutely beautiful, near to all the action and the airport, right there by Pigeon Point. So you can't go wrong at all, you know. Holding comfortably, maybe 2 couples and then 2 other people downstairs. You can work it out if you have kids and that kind of stuff. Just ask them when you're booking what you need, and I'm sure they'll be willing to try to accommodate you. Really enjoy my time here. Fantastic, beautiful place. Check it out, Airbnb, message them on Instagram, and make your booking for your next trip to Tobago. Have a fantastic week, guys. Bless up and look out for more vlogs next week Sunday. Respect.